Hi, I am Pavan Atri. Today we will know about farmers and agriculture activities in India. Agriculture is a very old culture of cultivation of seeds in land for their survival. In primitive time, man is a hunter and he collect seeds from rivers and ponds, and then he start domestication of plants, animals and seeds. He migrates from one continent to another, one place of living to another place of living, one country to another country. With the passage of time, he settled in some places and start cultivating with his family and make a community, a society. The society work together in a group. These groups learn to rear the animals and mulching them and use them for cultivation and other transport activities. With the passage of time, there is a natural calamities, rainfall, snowfall, bad weather, tornadoes, cyclones, snowfall, snow age. Due to that conditions, the people migrate from one continent to another for their survival with their family and community. They settle in a new places and start their survival there. But with the passage of time, again and again, there is again natural calamities and destruction, thundering, bolting, snowfall, rainfall. The people again forced to migrate from one place of living to another place of living. They start burning forest and settle there for cultivation and rearing. But in the early time, there is a shortage of food and cloth. There are many tribal groups wandering from one place to another and settle for some days in that places. What 12,000 BC, there is many civilization in the world like Egyptian, Timur, Mayan civilization, and there is one civilization in India also, Indus Valley civilization in 4000 BC. This civilization learned to store water, irrigation facilities, store granaries, and learn many seasonal related crops and prepare a rectangular field for agriculture activities and other allied activities. These people work in a group and society in a hierarchical level and used animals and human beings in a group for cultivation of crops from one season to another season, and sometimes they migrated from one place to another for better facilities and better cultivations on foot or by horse carrot or bullock carrot. In early times, the man depend for irrigation facilities on animals or rainfall, monsoon, or rivers or journeying. But with the passage of time, the man learn to store water in the fields and start cultivation. With the passage of time, there is a huge pressure of population on farmers. The farmers are worried due to monsoon, irregular rainfall, and high temperature. Sometimes there is a hailstorm or bad weather due to which the crops are destroyed, and the farmers are wait for weeks together for good rainfall and good weather so that they can cultivate their crops in the field. Their families are miserable and disappointed, and they start praying to God for their better crops and better survival, but all in vain. These things create the pressure on farmers in India due to heavy loan and cost of high yielding varieties. The farmers are unable to pay the money for these high yielding varieties fertilizers. So he forced to suicide or die due to this heavy debt. Due to the problem of coronavirus in the world and India also, the Prime Minister of India announced 20 lakh crore rupees for the people of India to grow crops, purchase fertilizers and manures, organic manures, so that they can use irrigation facilities, good seeds for betterment of agriculture activities and other allied activities in India. The Indian farmers can get better irrigation system in their fields so that their yielding of crops is high. They can use drone system for pesticides, threshing, new technology, new pesticides and insecticides to protect their crop from weedicide also. Now the farmer should use modern technology of cultivation. This cultivation is very effective and time reducing. It reduces the labor cost also. This technology is operated from distance mode, drop pesticides, insecticides, and for good crops. These crops are harvested due to the modern technology like threshing. This modern technology help to reduce time and energy and cost of labor and easy harvest their crops from the fields and transport to market for sale, and these crops first also store or transported to other states and other countries in the world. The new problem rises in country and the world is known as corona virus COVID-19, which affect the almost all the states of India and all over the world. The people are unemployed, suffering from malnutrition. They travel from one place to another without transportation, without food, without migration, and stay at open sky. They are forced to be live hungry. The government supply food to the people at some places, but it is very difficult to cater all the population of the country because India is a huge country and such a huge food chain is not possible. Due to coronavirus, the condition of unemployment had created the people having no food, no medicines, and they are forced to live in slums of India in all the cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Bangalore, Jammu, Ludhiana, and mostly city of India. Now the problem of labor is created in the fields to cultivate crops. These laborers are not available in various states of India. These peoples are migrated to their native lands. So the cultivation of paddy or harvesting of wheat is difficult nowadays. The people are also unemployed. They are forced to live in the villages. But the problem of cultivation of crops and storage of crops are high. Now the government of India advise the people to work in their own states so that the shortage of labor can be fulfilled. These people should work hand to hand with the government. The government provide subsidies to the farmers, the industries, and various other fields so that the shortage of cereals, food, and various other grains can be reduced. And these cultivated seeds can be transferred to other states and other countries so that the economy of India can be rise. Now the farmers and the labor should work in their respective states so that the cultivation of high yielding varieties of seeds and other crops in India which can rise the economy of country. The farmer should cultivate high yielding varieties of seeds and other cash crops such as cotton, oil seeds, sesame, jute, which produce good marketing value, and these crops are cultivated all the states of India according to the temperature and fertility of soil and use of manures, and almost 120 countries of the world receive food grains from India, that is Japan, European countries, SAARC countries. These countries, the farmers of India can benefit from these high yielding varieties of seeds and cash crops production. This production will reduce the pressure on farmers of India so that they make them happy and debt free. The other cash crops are vegetables, fruits, and the cereals, which having high market value, and these cereals can reduce the debt of the farmers, and these pulses and food grains can be supplied to the other countries of the world, so that the economy of India can be rise at a very fast rate due to use of modern technology of cultivation and harvesting. If we talk about India, India ranks second in the worldwide according to 2018 for agriculture employment, and more than 60% of the Indian workforce contributed 18% of the GDP in country. In 2016, agriculture and allied sectors, animal husbandry, forestry, fishery accounts 15.4% of the GDP in India. The Indian government want to improve this GDP to provide 20 lakh crores rupees by Pradhan Mantri, so that India can be fulfill their needs and export their products to another country. India exports rubber, jute, coffee, tea, spices. India ranks second in the world for the production of dry fruits, ranked fifth for coffee and cotton, dry fruits, and various spices in the world. These spices are exported to another country. These produced in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. These spices having very large demand all over the world. These products are exported to 120 countries, that is South Asian countries, SAARC countries, European Union, and United States, Japan, etc. These are medicinal plants used for various medicines to cure various diseases. There is also other cash crops of spices which is grown in India. There are many other fruits. The India is the largest producer of many fresh fruits like banana, citric fruits, orange, lemon, mango, guava, papaya. These fruits are exported to another countries and earn money, which rise the GDP of the country. Mango is very good and delicious fruit. There is a large number of varieties found in India, and it is also known as the king of many fruits. There is kiwi, which is also grown in India, and this kiwi is also export to other countries, and pomegranates, which is rich source of large variety of apples are grown in India. Kashmiri, Hazratbal, Himachal apple, and various other varieties of apples, which is very good and delicious. There is many tropical fruits such as peach, black grapes, green grapes, dragon fruits, which is cultivated in various states of India, and these are tropical fruits having great value. These fruits are available in local markets. These fruits, dry fruits, and spices are consumed in India as well as export to other states and other country, which is also increase the GDP and economy of the country. Thank you for watching. Please write your suggestions.